We will be making faux chicken breast dessert today. I am adding 100 grams of butter to a pot, and I am letting it melt. I am adding 200 milliliters of flour to it, and I keep stirring it while on medium heat. I will keep going for about 2 minutes until I do not smell the flour anymore. Now I am adding the milk to the pot. After mixing it thoroughly, I am adding 270 milliliters of granulated sugar and the vanilla powder to it. I am continuously stirring it now until it starts to thicken. When it thickens, I am turning off the heat. I am transferring it to serving bowls while hot, and I am letting it cool down. When the bowls are cold, I turn them upside down on a plate. You can decorate it with cracked walnuts or shredded coconuts. Enjoy!